Hey guys, it's Mrs. Sacetta. I'm here to show you how to finish your work for October 2nd for garden class. So of course you have to be in our garden 4-week class under classwork. This is week 7, 10:02 is the date. So you'll click on today's date. Today you're going to learn about pollinator gardens by reading an article and answering 4 questions. Once you complete your reading and questions, you'll complete a 5-sentence summary. I attached the reading, a recording of me reading the article, and then also this recorded instruction. So the first thing, of course, is a launch meeting. Then this is your reading. It's a Google Doc, so you should be able to edit it. If you're on a tablet or an iPad, then you're going to need the Google Doc app. And so on here, this is your reading. Towards the bottom, you have your 4 questions. So go through the questions, and then you can answer it by, you have options. So you could highlight it. You could underline it. Or you could, let's just highlight or underline it. And I want you to double check your answers. You should be referring back to the text. And because there's only 4 questions, so you can't get many wrong. You can't get more than 1 wrong. And that's why we're going to do a summary. So you'll answer the 4 questions, and then you're going to have to hit the space or the enter a couple times until you get on a new page. And then you can title it Summary. And then you're going to write 5 sentences about what you read. So a 5-sentence summary at the bottom here. So read over the article, answer your 4 questions, and then write your 5-sentence summary. If you have any questions, then go ahead and comment. Once you're done with this, you can just exit out and it will save automatically. I want to remind you that there's a video of me reading the entire article for you. Once you're done, you click View Assignment, and then you need to turn it in. There'll be a purple Turn It In button right here for you. Like I said, if you have any questions, then feel free to comment.